Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Gate World. In this video, we are going to discuss about Gate 2002 question belongs to process scheduling in operating systems. Let me read out the question for you. Which of the following scheduling algorithms is non-preemptive? A. Round robin, B. First in first out, C. Multi-level queue scheduling, D. Multi-level queue scheduling with feedback. Let us examine option by option. First one is round robin algorithm. In round robin algorithm, a process is picked from ready queue, and if its burst time is less than time quantum, it will execute till completion and goes to termination state. Else, it will execute only for time quantum, and then again put back into ready queue. Which means we are executing process only till certain amount of time, and we are taking the CPU from the process, which means we are preempting the process. Hence, round robin algorithm is a preemptive algorithm. And second option is FIFO. In FIFO scheduling algorithm, whichever process arrives first, it is given CPU first. When a process is given CPU, it will run till completion and go to termination state. There is no taking CPU from the process if a process is given CPU once. Hence, there is no preemption. Therefore, FIFO is a non-preemptive algorithm. And our third option is multi-level queue scheduling. As we know, in operating systems, there are different kinds of processes. In multi-level queue scheduling, a specified queue is dedicated to a specified type of process. Let us say we have all system processes are in Q1, and all interactive processes are in Q2, all batch processes are in Q3, so on. Every queue runs its own scheduling algorithm to pick desired process from that particular queue. Let us say we have only one CPU. Let us suppose all system process schedule using round robin scheduling algorithm, all interactive process scheduling using priority scheduling, and all batch process are scheduled using first in first out scheduling. Let us say CPU is given to a batch process. A batch process is already running in CPU. Now a system process has arrived. Now system process has higher priority than batch process. Now CPU is taken from batch process and given to system process, which means batch process is preempted here. By this we can say that multi-level queue scheduling is also preemptive in nature. Our next scheduling algorithm is multi-level queue scheduling with feedback. In multi-level queue scheduling with feedback, there are different queues at different levels. And a queue at higher level has higher priority. Which means in multi-level queue scheduling with feedback, lower level queues won't get executed unless upper level queues are empty. Let us say there are some process P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, so on. There are some processes in it, and whenever a process is scheduled, it will run only for some time slice. It will only run up until some time slice. If it can complete its execution within time slice, it will go to termination state. Else, it is put back at the tail of lower level queue. Again, it will get chance after all the process in the lower level queue gets executed. Hence, we are only executing a particular process for a particular time slice, and we are preempting that process, which means multi-level queue scheduling with feedback is also preemptive in nature. So only first in first out is non-preemptive algorithm given in the above options. So it is option B. Thank you guys.